So here it is. It's the 5.3 LS motor. I finally got it on the engine stand. Got the oil drain underneath it. We about to drain the oil out of it, and then I'm gonna pull the valley pan off of it, pull the oil pan off of it, and start pulling the rods and pistons and all out of it, checking it. So I'll set up the camera and record while I tear it apart. Don't look half bad in there. timing cover pulled off. I'm gonna replace this anyways, but yeah, it's really kind of loose. It's actually pretty worn out. But that's the oil pump, timing chain. We'll take all that out, start working on getting the cam out. Trying to get the pistons and all that out. We're gonna mark all of them, and then we'll get them out, so that way I can clean the block, paint the block, hone it, and then start putting it back together. So we cleaned it up some, but I got some purple powder on the way. We're gonna try to clean it up some with that. The paint's coming off some. Hopefully that'll help get rid of those chips and get some of the rest of this crap off. So I got it all torn down, got it washed. Got no pistons in it no more. Got no cam, got no crank. I washed it. I put oil in the cylinders so that way they won't rust. I'm going to have it sand. I'm going to tape up all the gasket surfaces and the stuff to leading to the inside of the block. And then I'm going to have the outside sandblasted. And then I'm going to paint it. I'm going to paint it this. I got Chevrolet orange red. We're going to paint it that color. And I'm going to start getting the stuff to be able to put it back together. We're still going to use the stock pistons and all that. We're just going to put new rings in them, new bearings in them, and start putting it back together. But that's all I'm going to be able to get done for today. This is for the S10 build that I've been trying to get built. But just remember, if y'all like what y'all saw, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It would really help me out. I appreciate it, guys. Y'all have a good night.